another episode of the Nutrition Club. It's provided by Community Health Programs. My name is Hannah Patterson, and welcome to my back office, my little brain dump station. So this week, what I'm going to talk to you about is chickens. So we talked about eggs last week. I want to get more into chicken meat because that is going to be part of our food bags in our farmers' shares, because they were nice enough to offer giving us whole chickens. I believe it was every other week. And I just wanted to show you how to break down a chicken in case you don't want to roast the whole chicken. That's not the only thing you can do with a whole chicken. And I wanted to show you how to also brine a chicken. So some of these chickens are, well, actually all the chickens are pre-frozen, so the quality of the meat sometimes isn't as good as it would be fresh. So what I did was showed you how to do a brine, a basic brine, and how to soak it. It's kind of like a marinade, and how to grill it afterwards. So it's pretty good. I made a specific one for you guys. I actually calculated everything out because it is kind of a science. So brining, if you don't know already, there is a dry brine method where you use lots of salt and herbs and spices and you rub it on the chicken. Now, the one that I'm doing is a liquid brine. So specifically, it's a certain ratio of water to salt, and that's what makes brining happen. And I'm also going to add in I ratioed some sugar, and I did, actually for my sugar, I did maple syrup instead of sugar like most brines typically have. And then I did some orange slices, so it's kind of like a maple orange brine. I thought it would be really unique and fun. The main components of a brine are the water and salt. The purpose of a brine is to increase the quality of meat, especially meat that has been previously frozen. It does this by creating a scientific process called diffusion, which basically causes the chicken to absorb more water, and that way it becomes juicier and more tender. also grilled some other pieces of chicken that were not brined, so you can see the quality of the meats. So there's the breast right there that I didn't brine, and a drumstick that I didn't brine, and compare it to the brined chicken. Alright, so I hope this was really helpful for you guys. Now you know how to break down a chicken, which is awesome. You don't have to be a butcher to break down a chicken. And also, I hope you liked the science behind the brining, and I hope you get to try it yourself, because it really does affect the texture of the meat and the flavor as well. It's really great option for preparing. I know it takes a long time, but it's so worth it. And also, for those of you in the Nutrition Club, I hope that you comment below or let us know that you really enjoyed this one, that it was super educational and useful for your chickens that you get through your food bags. And I hope you're enjoying your food bags so far. Also, if you are not a part of the Nutrition Club, please email or call us. The information is below, and see if you qualify. It's pretty easy. It's free food bags every week if you qualify. So it's something to totally take advantage of. And also make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for some more videos on how to use chickens, how to cook, how to anything. Also, actually, I have, if you wanted to roast your chicken, I have a video with recipes also on this playlist, so check it out.